The 296 GTB, the latest evolution of Maranello's mid-rear engine two-seater Berlinetta. The 296 GTB redefines the whole concept of fun behind the wheel, guaranteeing pure emotions not just when pushing the car to its limits, but also in day-to-day driving situations. The 296 GTB ushers in an authentic revolution for Ferrari, as it introduces a new engine type to flank the marque's multi-award-winning 8 and 12-cylinder power units. A new V6 654 horsepower, coupled with an electric motor, capable of delivering a further 164 horsepower. This is the first six-cylinder engine installed on a road car sporting the Prancing Horse badge. It unleashes its massive 819 horsepower total power output to deliver previously unthinkable performance levels and an innovative, exhilarating, and unique soundtrack. The car's name, which combines its total displacement 2.9-liter and number of cylinders, was chosen with the addition of the GTB Gran Turismo Berlinetta, acronym in finest Ferrari tradition, to underscore this new engine's epoch-changing importance to Maranello. It is not simply the living, beating heart of the 296 GTB, but it also ushers in a new V6 era that has its roots deep in Ferrari's unparalleled 70-year-plus experience in motorsports. The powertrain assembly comprises a V6 turbo ICE with the 8-speed DCT and E-diff and the dual-rotor single-stator axial flux motor located between the engine and the gearbox. A clutch is set between the ICE and the electric motor to decouple them in electric-only e-drive mode. Lastly, there is a high-voltage battery and the inverter, which controls the electric motors. It's all enough to get you off the line and up to 62 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and up to 124 miles per hour in just 7.3 seconds. Thanks to some clever weight-saving tech, the 296 GTB's dry weight just 3,241 pounds. The 296 GTB will get all the way up to 205 miles per hour if you let it, and rounds Ferrari's test track 1.5 seconds faster than the F8 Tributo. The 296 GTB's plug-in hybrid system guarantees it is an incredibly usable car, as well as cutting pedal response times to zero and delivering a 15.5 miles range in all-electric e-drive mode. The car's compact dimensions and the introduction of innovative dynamic control systems, as well as meticulously honed aero, ensure that the driver will instantly experience its astonishing agility and responsiveness to commands. Its sporty, sinuous design and extremely compact dimensions also visually underscore its exceptional modernity. As was the case with the SF90 Stradale, for clients who want to exploit the car's extreme power and performance to the utmost, particularly on the track, the 296 GTB is also available with the Assetto Fiorano package, which includes lightweight features and aero modifications. The Ferrari 296 GTB's design is the result of the desire of the Ferrari Styling Center to redefine the identity of the mid-rear engine two-seater Berlinetta by giving it an extremely compact line with an original, modern look. Thanks to its short wheelbase and its monolithic, sculpted structure, The 296 GTB is indeed the most compact Berlinetta to emerge from Maranello in the last decade. The typical Berlinetta fastback configuration has been abandoned in favor of creating a cabin architecture that visually seems set into an imposing volume. The combined effect of the short wheelbase and the composition of elements, such as very muscular wings, the visor-style windscreen, robust flying buttresses and a new vertical rear screen. These forms produce a highly original cabin silhouette, which has a visor-style windscreen that wraps around onto the side windows. Already adopted on several limited edition Ferraris, including the J50, and one-offs, such as the P80, this theme has now reached its maximum expression on a road car. The wraparound theme at the front connects organically to the flying buttress theme at the rear, together with a transparent engine cover that showcases the engine. The 296 GTB's cockpit was developed around the new concept of an entirely digital interface, which Ferrari first debuted on the SF90 Stradale. This interior layout draws on the latter's stylistic coherence for its forms. While with the SF90 Stradale, the designers wanted to highlight the presence of the advanced technology and underscore a clear break with the past. In the case of the 296 GTB, the idea was to clothe that technology in a sophisticated way. The result is a pure minimalistic connotation, characterized by a powerful elegance that on an aesthetic level perfectly mirrors the design of the exterior.